Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn how to launch Linux instance and how to connect to the Linux instance in AWS EC2. As in previous session we discussed about how to launch and Windows instance, and how to connect to the Windows instance. Now let us see how to launch Linux instance and how to connect to it. So click on instances, click on launch instance. Mention the name of the instance. As I am creating Linux, I have mentioned name of the instance as Linux. Then we need to select the Amazon machine image. So I am selecting Amazon Linux. So it is going to provide with the configuration details of this one, Amazon Linux 2023 kernel. Then instance type, as I'm selecting default one, that is t3.micro. Then coming to key pair, I'm selecting, clicking on new key pair. Here I am giving Linux. Then ppk file format I am selecting. Just click on create key pair. That key will be downloaded into your local system. Then coming to network settings, as when we launched Windows Server, we created security group. So I am selecting same security group which I have created. So I am selecting cloud. What is a security group? It is going to provide rules to control the traffic. Then I am not selecting any of these things, configuring storage and advanced details. So once again, I am revising. Just I have mentioned the instance name as Linux and a machine image I have selected. Instance type I have selected. Key pair, new key pair I have selected. Then in network settings, security group, previously created security group selected, that is cloud. Then click on launch instance. So now instance is created. Go to instances. So now instance is created, that is running state. So select that instance. It will show you the details of your instance down, like private IP address and public IP address. Now let us see how to connect to the Linux instance. For Windows instance, you require remote desktop connection to connect to the Windows instance. But coming to the Linux instance, you require putty terminal. If you have this putty terminal, okay. If you don't have, then putty.org. You can download it from this link, putty.org. Download the putty and install the putty. As I have already in my system, So I am using that. So open your putty. Then as a host name, copy the public IP address of your instance. Copy the public IP address of your instance and paste it as host name. Then coming to here, you need to upload the PPK file to connect to the instance. So just click on SSH, click on auth, click on credentials. Now open putty. Copy the public IP address and paste it here. Then click on SSH, click on auth, click on credentials, click on browse. Now open your PPK file, click on accept. Now you are going to connect it with the Linux instance. Let me change the font size. Now you are going to get with the login as. So you need to mention username as ec2-user. Then click on enter. You are going to get with the IP address. So with this IP address, you can confirm means you are going to connected with the same instance which you have created. So these are the steps you need to follow for creating Linux instance and connecting to the instance. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video.